Okay. We're here at the this Excel file of Chapter 3 for our business statistics. Okay, and I'm specifically at the growth value. Okay, Excel sheet. Okay, gonna make this bigger. Okay, this is the measures of central location. Okay, so we're gonna demonstrate here how to do mean, mode, and other measures. But other measures here will be discussed in our following topics. Okay, and the first one will be getting the average. Okay, we're gonna measure the mean, the median, and the mode. Okay, and gonna get first is the mean. Okay, gonna just highlight here. Okay, I'm sorry. This is the average. Okay, gonna use average. Okay, average and mean are the same. Okay, okay, and this one also. And gonna put some dollar here since we will be copying this formula. Okay, this one also, and this one, this one. Okay, and then we'll copy this one mode here, median the mode. Okay, since we had that, just gonna change here is median. Okay, the median is 1525, and for this one, the median is 15.38. Okay, and the mode for this one, okay, there's no mode. Okay, how about value? Okay, there's no mode also. Okay, let's try to experiment. Okay, sample here 14.74 is copy and put it here. Okay, so the mode is 14.74. Okay, it just means each value there has the same has is unique. All values here are unique. There's no mode. Okay, example. Gonna demonstrate to you since I use the keyboard shortcut to copy 14.74. Okay. Okay, got that? Okay, so just have to leave it like that. And the next one will be click data. Sorry, data in the Excel menu sheet. Okay, then click data analysis. We will be using descriptive analytic statistics. Okay, and we're gonna use the range. This one, it's already been there. Okay, and let's try to demonstrate. Okay, so we're gonna include the values here from 1 to here. Okay, and we will be specifically group that by columns. Okay, and then we'll put some labels on the first row. Okay, the output range will be here. Let's put that there, and we're gonna click this summary statistics. Okay, summary statistics. Click that one. Okay, okay. So and then we'll click OK. Okay, now we have this measure here. This is for growth, okay, parameters, and this is for the value parameters, okay. So we have here standard error. Standard error is the possibility that the 15.75 will most likely be around this one here. It might be the left side of 15.75 or the right side. So the right side will be 15 and up, and the left side will be 15 and below. and I just had to lessen. We just use the standard error here to put here. Okay, let's say for example, the mean will deviate most probably by let's just have to lessen this one. Okay, so just to demonstrate to you guys. Okay, for this one. Okay, for the mean for growth will most likely be 11.7 to 19. Okay, so that's the purpose of standard error. Okay, just demonstrating to you. This is the median, and there's no mode. Okay, so we're now here at R, and we're gonna import the data. Okay, from Excel, and then browse the data. Okay, I specifically just named the file as. Okay, so we're using this for Excel, and then we're using this for R. Okay, I'm gonna use the chapter 3 R for that. Okay, I'm gonna rename this data as my data. Okay, and then growth and value. Okay, and then we click import. So now we have the data. Okay, so to do what we've done, okay, in using the Excel, okay, to get the average data, just have to type the mean and then my data. Okay, and then dollar sign, we choose growth. Okay, so the growth is 15.75, and then for example, we wanted to click check the mode, or I mean the median. Just type median. Okay, and the median is 15.245. Okay, so now that you know, you can just add here, you're gonna use the value. Okay, because you already know the mean for values for growth. Okay, you can try the value. Okay, or the mean for this. Okay, so now we're gonna summarize the data. Okay, at what we did in Excel, we summarize the data. We're also gonna do this in R. Okay, so to do that, you just have to type summary and then my data. Okay, and enter. Okay, so this is the summary. Okay, that's the summary of the data. Okay, yeah, the growth, the minimum, maximum, median, mean. Okay, third quartile, 36.97. Okay, so that's the summary of R. Okay, um, the Excel have provided us more comprehensive summary. Okay, compared to R. Okay, and based on these exercises, we can conclude that the summary of Excel is more comprehensive, more reliable than R. Okay, thank you.